pensaba que te iban a cobrar menos porque ya estás bien. Pero no, todos cobramos 3.55. But that doesn't look that grande.
Most people just have it white. Oh, that looks cute.
Cheers. No sé que me estabas hablando, ¿verdad, pa? ¿Me hablaste? No estaba en el teléfono. Hi guys, so it's me again. As you can see, I'm in my vehicle again. Always in this car, like literally always. So I just did my little buns. Oh my god, the ladies over there is gonna see me recording. Gosh. But yeah, I'm over here waiting for my sister so we can go do some shopping a little bit. She wanted to do that Saturday, but we got carried away, as you saw. We took my dad to eat and all that stuff, and then we went to my uncle's house. I didn't record because like I rarely go to my dad's brother's house, so I didn't want them to think I recorded their house, you know. So yeah, we went there. We were there like for 3 hours. I did my eyebrows. Then I had to do my lashes because you know they're already done, but like I'm ready to go, and I just put my clothes. I put this sweater on and these brown pants, jogger pants, and some Vans, and let's go. I kind of want to eat some Panera. Like I have not ate Panera. I was just coming already.
Oh, that one.
But yeah,
It doesn't really matter to me. If she didn't want me, she didn't want me. Pues.
Yeah, guys, so we're leaving already. I'll see when we get to the dollar store. So we're here. And we're about to get out.
I'm over here like looking at.
Am I straight or not? Why is freaking chilly? Yeah, I could have went more back. The fuck? Could have went more back. Oh shit, I'm on that line though. Ooh, it's cold. I mean, they're $1 anyways. They're over here. Somewhere. They're over here.
Oh, look, these are the ones you said, right? $1? Ooh,
Oh, yeah.
good.
Those are good. I get those. No, there was grapes of those.
I know, but somebody took them.
They take them fast.
Let me take one of this one. You don't want one?
Take for the kids. Oh no, they're gonna pop the fucking shit. They're over here. I didn't know they had
Is this good?
creamy cinnamon spread.
Is this good? Oh, look at the hell.
Oh yeah.
Is this good?
I don't know. My mom never gets that one. We don't get that one. Get the other one, but the Walmart.
Yeah. I feel about pancake goods. That's cheaper.
It's just the same. I get that one.
It's the same thing, and it's just brown.
There's the oats down there.
Oh, I get these. Oh, they're chiquitos, los pinche güey, my mom got me a big ass
Why
tub.
is that one right there? Oh, they're not there. I know they sell them at the other store.
Dang, I've been seeing. Can I get this one? Yeah. I'm not getting no strawberries because we have a lot of those at home. I can just put them in our refrigerator. It always does that.
Oh.
I just ignore it.
Yeah.
Eso poquito que sí.
Yeah.
I'm fine with her. I hope she takes some beer.
Well, wait a minute. It's okay. The last thing I did. Okay, I'm just trying to make sure that it's getting everything
Oh, okay.
and putting like items together, like cold items.
Queremos comprar todo en la casa.
Why sometimes it doesn't scan in the morning that good?
Pardon me.
It doesn't in the morning. It's slow.
It's like this. This thing crashes on us at least 4 times a day. All I'm doing is giving them back the money they're giving
Yeah.
me.
It'd be like that.
Try to take some stuff.
But back in here, I didn't even record how much shit we got. Then we're gonna go to Walmart now because we didn't find waters here.
Oh, it makes my skin look good. Are you also Mariana because you're hungry? I'm joking.
Yeah, I know.
You're about to eat at Gloria's house. Nothing. Air.
Oh, look at the big little squid. I got some nut in his mouth. I didn't even notice this. Look. Big bug bite. Oh, these are good. Hola. ¿Está trabajando? Sí. ¿Y es tu nieto? ¿Ah? Sí, pero se olvidan las cosas. Ahora pues. It's cold in here too.
Better.
Okay. My sister just over here looking for rice cakes. I don't know what the hell that shit is.
Call the doctor.
I don't like why are you grabbing freaking stuff? You're funny.
And right now,
You're like,
got flashbacks.
I don't know about that. Oh, look at that.
I know, boy. The photos are mad. Look.
I'm gonna pack our head.
And then it chases us. Behind me now.
He gets a, he wants a suicide or something.
Can't you see a picture of him?
He's gone. He's over there. Hey, little patitas. Ya se fue. So we came to Panera. We went that way. We came to Panera. First time eating actually here. I mean, I ate here before. I mean, like the food. But not like the actual location staying there, you know? So right now we gotta know what we're gonna eat first. Because I don't even know what I'm gonna get. So yeah. We're already sitting there. We're like, are they gonna eat? Yeah,
I need to stop sitting like right now. I have anything to care about.
I know they have tomato soup.
She was like, she sent me that, and she's like, oh my god, you can make them in a mico. And I was like, I love my chicharrones with a side of radiation, you know?
No, yours. What the? Oh. Take pictures.
Oh, but your sandwich is covered up by your Okay.
Now my turn. Sis, how do you rate this?
Dry as fuck. I'm joking because I took off the sauce.
Yeah, you took
It's
the
okay, it's good. I ate the bacon. I ate it
Where
by
was the
myself.
bacon?
It was
Oh,
in there,
yeah.
but I ate it by
So mine is good. It's crunchy and soft in the middle. So freaking good. I gather it tastes. So it's a chipotle. So it's like the first strawberry. So very good. You see? Is that normal? Wait, probably because I'm recording it. Let me see. No, I just recorded like that. I don't know why. Oh, you're not in it? I like cheese. I just hate
Never tripping. Her mama could never eat these.
like this, right? I think because I'm always supposed to fall so I can't bite it good, right? Is he still there? Trying to rip your skirt. They look cute, yeah.
Finished her studies abroad, but she felt less than enthusiastic about this idea.
So I'm here back. It's the next day. I'm over here cleaning my house. I'm a fully clean it. It looks freaking different because so I had barely. I think last week I cleaned my refrigerator or cleaned it, and it's full again. Well, not full, but it's just crowded again. So now I need to organize it again. My freezer, it's okay. It's packed. Like I don't need to do anything with that. And yeah, I can see it's full. I just need to organize, put it in sections. The bird area, I cleaned that area and it's again like that. So now I need to clean it again with spray because somebody's nasty. Here's how it looks right now. Yeah, it's pretty clean. I cleaned it. So that just fell. I don't know where that fell from, but it's basically not dirty because I cleaned it last week, but it's just full of stuff. This area is full as well. It's not dirty, it's full of stuff. So I'm gonna organize all this and I'll be back when I'm done organizing this. Okay, so this is how it's going. This pozole left over, so that's rosé. My sandwich piece and this, and then some apple, and then the hummus, a little baby hummus, and I need to put water down there. And here's all like the beers and stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna fill it up. So, yeah, I had to fill it up. So when I'm back, it's gonna be packed. Okay, so it took me an hour to clean this and organize it. So right now, I actually fitted everything. Like, I just want it super packed. I was checking because no hay echarlos. So all these, we have like, I don't know how much are up in here. More than 10 of these, they expired. And I knew it because last time I drank one, and it tasted like vencido. And I was like, And they expired in February. And then we had these también. Like I noticed it looked weird. They expired March. Well, March. It's still March. It's not the 23. It's the 20. They expired the 29, but they taste weird and they smell weird. So I'm just gonna throw them out. Not gonna be drinking vencido freaking juices. The letter looks. Le bajé alto, as y'all could see in the beginning. It was full. This is how it's looking. Like it's full. Like the soda's up here. The boy got my Indu back there, but I'm the only one that drinks my Indu. That's why I put them all the way back there. Like so, now it's fully stocked. Like I have my huevos in this thing. I put them all in this. I had them like that before, but then I just forgot and I didn't do it no more. So yeah. So it's packed now. Hi guys, so I got up like an hour ago and I'm over here eating me a peach because I'm starving. I'm literally starving, y'all. I had leftover food, but I don't want to eat that. So are they playing so freaking hard? Like what the heck? I'm waiting for my food. I just ordered my McDonald's because I was watching a video yesterday and I saw chicken nuggets. I was like, I had chicken nuggets. So, like my stomach wants chicken nuggets. So I'm waiting for it to come. It shouldn't take long because it's like probably like 10 minutes away from my house. Oh. Oh, you're talking to my sister on the phone. Sis. But yeah. I was supposed to go out with my friend today, but she didn't hit me up. Like girl, like when I want to go out, it's like we're gonna go out in the morning, like around like 8, because I got responsibilities and I had to cook, and I can't be going out like at 2. Like I didn't, my man's about to get home like around 5. Need to cook. So I don't know. She hasn't texted me. I texted her earlier. I'm like, "Are you up?" And she didn't text me. She's probably sleeping. We understand. She's probably tired, but like, girl. But I think tomorrow I'm gonna hang out with my other friend. We're gonna go shopping. I need to go buy my brother. Hey, your order has been picked up. I know they're coming already, so I'm happy for that. I'm about to eat some nuggets. So yeah, that's what's going on today. I guess I'm not gonna go out today. I'm just gonna watch TV, clean, continue doing laundry. Actually, because I just need one more patch. So yeah. Imagine they didn't give me sauce. Sometimes they forget to give you the sauce when you order online. Look at his sock. Okay, they're here. Yummy! They're not crunchy though. They're kind of soggy. Don't you hate whenever your chicken nuggets are not crunchy and they're soggy? Yeah? Yeah, it's like, okay. Like, yummy. I'm gonna chicken nuggets tonight. Come here. So I just redyed my hair with gloves, but some got on my hair, and some got on my forehead. But oh well. And the back to green, baby. We're gonna match one another. See? You're green, I'm green.